The primary task you have is if something's headed for an impact with the Earth, you need to change its orbit enough so that when it would have impacted the Earth, it is now either more than half an Earth radius in front of the Earth or more than half an Earth radius behind the Earth. In other words, you want to end up passing in front of the Earth or passing behind the Earth. Well, if you think of that, you want to take maybe, you want to be 3 Earth radii different from where you would be, either arriving early when the two go through the intersection, or arriving late so that the Earth is already past the intersection. Now, what it will take to make that large change is a substantial change in the velocity of the asteroid, say 10 years ahead of time, or 15 years, or something like that. And to get that substantial a change in the velocity of the asteroid, you want to transfer a lot of momentum to it. Running into an asteroid, what we call kinetic impact, is the simplest and most reliable way that we have with current technology, at least, of changing the velocity of an asteroid enough to make it miss the Earth if it was going to hit it. Now, there's a very low probability, I mean very, very low probability, that we might, in the next 100 or 200 years, encounter an asteroid which is too large for even running into it, making enough of a change of velocity. And in that case, we have the possibility, at least with current technology, of using a nuclear explosive device. And again, you come by the asteroid, and when you're very close to it, you blow off the nuclear device. The blast is nothing, but it heats up, the explosion heats up that side of the asteroid that's closest to the explosion to the point where it boils off and pushes the asteroid in the opposite direction. So instead of hitting it, you hit it with neutrons that boil off the surface and push the asteroid in the opposite direction. That would work, but it's, nuclear weapons in space is not something anybody, is attracted to. But if you have to, it's better than getting hit by a big rock.